about a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Salicia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these lashes all by myself. If you guys would like to see, keep watching. Everything that I use, from tweezers, lash tape, lash glue, will be in the comment section, well, in the description box below and on my Amazon storefront. So make sure you guys go ahead and click that link down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said before, if you want to see how I achieve this look on myself, including bottoms, talk to me nice, don't talk to me twice, keep watching. Okay guys, so let's start off with the unboxing first. I ordered some under eye patches because my lash tech actually uses those, and it's very comforting when they put the tape up there. It doesn't hurt. Then I ordered some lashes from Baba Lash off of Amazon, and these are CC curls, and this one is 20 to 25 mm. And then this is the 8 mm, same brand, off of Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. And these I ordered for my bottoms, and these are just in a C curl. And I believe C curl is a looser curl than CC. And then I ordered a C curl of 13 to 20. And again, same brand. And the reason why I ordered these is because when you fill in these little inners on this eye, which I'll show you guys later, it's like ball right here. So we gotta do that. And then I ordered what do you call this? A mirror. So this way, it's a magnifying mirror so I can see better. Then I ordered, it came in this box, but I already used it, this little fan, because I prepped for this video and I wash my lashes like I would do before my appointments, and then when I get there my lash tech washes them again. And that fan also came with these two tweezers, so this is what we're going to use. I already sterilized everything. I also got, hold on, this lash glue, which is by Stacy Lash. It's extra strong. And also I read the reviews on everything that I purchased before I bought it, and a lot of people said it was really good. And then I got some lash tape, which yeah, it's just regular, kind of like medical grade tape. So yeah, let's get started. I'm so nervous. I've never done this before. So I bought the 8s for the bottoms. I think I'm gonna do the bottoms first, because if I could get that down pack, it'll give me some confidence to do the tops. But then I don't want to have bottoms and my top's not done because I can't get it. So I don't know. Just keep watching if you guys would like to see what we come up with. I never had one of these in my home before ever. I can't see. I did pretty good for my first time. And the whole goal of this is to make sure that, let me zoom in a little more, that you are covering your bottom lashes. So now I'm going to tape it for extra security. And thank God I got this magnifying mirror, because what would I have done without it? And I think I'm just going to tape one eye down at a time, because this tape shit is uncomfortable. Okay, can you guys see? All my bottom lashes are now taped down. There's no bottom lash in sight. Now, you want to shake it up real good, because I know the girls be having that little mixer. Oh, and the one thing that I didn't order, that I know everybody does use, is primer. But I didn't really know like what kind of primer to get, so I don't know. Hold on guys, hold on.
On that AR, how you did that? Check out lift up when you take off, how you did that? You push your chest up, or your blickers, how you did that?
able to take my head to take up my lashes so I can see the ones in between. I know this shit look crazy. Just bear with me. Okay guys, so I added a few in this eye. It's extremely hard, and I did it with no tape because I feel like the tape was distracting me and I couldn't really get in how I needed to. But the fans are super easy to make. I just feel like me being able to see where to really put it is my problem. So I'm gonna try to fill in this inner part on camera and show you guys, and I'm gonna just come back when it's all done. And yes, I am trying to put them one to one.
Come on me, fly you out to grief, full speed, so for the barrier. Come on me, keep all like danger. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V. Come on me, fly you out to grief, full speed, so for the barrier. Speed post, baby, and Nikki Beach. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand and the feet. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby.
And then the inners I'm using 14s and some 15s. And then as I go down, I'm gonna add 16s and so forth and so forth. Jump back and forth from the front to the end because that's gonna kind of help me not you know, have chunkiness but have flatness. And I hope you guys can see that. The camera's not picking it up. But a bitch know how to make a fan. Play with somebody else. And they do get glued to the tweezers if the glue starts running up. You just gotta be careful with that.
All time looking for the process. Had to bounce you. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, so for that barrier. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to breathe.
So I still have this gap right here to fill in, and then to make that a little harsher.
Fast for $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chill. All because I kept it real. Like sleep, baby. On the street, baby. I'll get you anything you need, baby.
So you guys can kind of see the difference. So I just have a little gap right here that I need to fill in, and I'm filling that one in with 17s, and this shit is a lot of work. I'm gonna do bigger fans because yeah, why not?
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, cause I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? I don't know no other name. You think like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me that song.
Tape these lashes up so this way I can see the hairs are sticking out, and that's how I'm gonna achieve not what is it called?
Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Well, she love me so much, she sent that she buys. Niggas don't lie, live, but that's what they live at the high. Hey, fucking stuck to stepping on shit to his private. You love me, don't mix it up, I still had a time.
No, that eye actually looks better than this eye, so we gotta fill in this eye. But before we do that, I want to do the bottoms. And the bottoms is what I ordered in all 8s. This is actually kind of therapeutic. I mean, if I was to do a whole full set, this shit would take me forever. Probably wouldn't even be able to do it because what? Yeah. Yeah, no. I'm gonna shake my food up. The whole 8 row off of my tray. And then I'm going to do these bottoms, ma'am. Alright, I'm gonna finish them and I'm gonna come back. Alright, it's been like an hour later and I did my bottoms. And now I'm doing this eye because remember I started off trying to do this eye but I could not get it. And I think this is honestly as thick as I want them to be. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of me doing this eye. And I did 14s and 16s about right here, 17s, 18s here, and I'm doing 20s and 19s at the end. Yeah. And even though the glue set strong, my eyes didn't start to get red. And they're not really red, but they didn't start to like get red and start irritating until I started doing my bottoms. Because as you can see, this eye is way redder than this eye. Because this eye did the bottoms, this eye I haven't. And the review on the lashes, they are actually really nice and soft. I mean, obviously I've never played with any other ones, so. Are they?
Can you do my bottoms?
Yeah. It's not hard, and actually I started to tape I wasted my money buying that tape and all that extra shit because I tried to tape my shit closed, couldn't. That shit was hurting my eye.
But you do kind of like, I don't know what it is, but it feels like you need both your eyes, but you really don't.
Yeah, you really don't, but I feel like it was just hurting. Like I don't know, it was like something was off.
Well, let me see, because I really can't see that. It looks like you got eyeliner or something. Oh, you did one by goddamn one.
Yeah, I did them real faint. Like I literally took my time, but look. Okay guys, I'm back. I did a damn good motherfucking job. They look good. And they are isolated. Okay, I'm about to do the bottoms on this eye and then I'm done. I literally have been doing this for 2 hours, which to me is not bad. Because the girls take 2 hours anyway to do other people's lashes. So I'll have to sit for 2 hours anyway. So these are the bottoms, no bottoms. These are the bottoms, bottoms. And I know you can't really tell because it's like no bottoms, bottoms. So I did them very faint, which is good. All right, and they do take a little bit of time.